We'll guide you through how to download and install WorldEdit in Minecraft 1.21. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. WorldEdit is really useful for doing landscaping in Minecraft. You can go and replace blocks quickly with it, amongst many other things as well. So let's go and get started with getting it. Let's go and close out of Minecraft. And what we can do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. Come to a search engine, and what we need to do is go and type in WorldEdit just like so. And what we can do is go and add Minecraft to the end, just to make sure we find the right one, and come to curseforge.com. Then what you can do is scroll down here and you can go and read about it. I'll be covering how you can install it in this video. Let's go and press files, and then we can start seeing the different versions here. So you're going to see the different 1.21 versions. There are the subversions as well. In this case, I'll go and get the most up-to-date one. This is currently in a beta format, but it should be fine. What we can do is press the three dots to the right and press download file like so. And then what we can do is go and wait for it to go and download. You can see it now has. Now, in order to go and run WorldEdit, we need to go and get a mod loader. Now you can come back to a search engine and you want to go and type in Fabric Minecraft like so. Fabric is a mod loader which we can go and use in order to go and run WorldEdit. Let's come to fabricmc.net and we can press download at the top. Press download for Windows, and then what we can do is go and press Fabric API. This will bring us back to CurseForge. We can press files and make sure we go and get it for 1.21.5. So what we can do is go and press all game versions and press 1.21.5 like so. And what you can do is go over to the right, and we can press the three dots and press download file like so. We've now downloaded what we're going to need. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, then make sure you head to the link in the pinned comment or the description. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice, so it's definitely worth coming and checking them out. We can scroll down and start checking out some of their great features like 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help anytime you need it. And you can see these other great features as well, like instant setup when you purchase it, ultra latency, and much more as well. Thank you to them. Now let's start the install process. So come to the bottom of your computer and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. What we need to do is go and locate the Fabric installer. Go and double click on it like so. We need to make sure we install it for the version we got WorldEdit for. In my case, it was 1.21.5. Got that selected and we can press install and it was successful. Next, we need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher. At the top, press installations. Now we need to scroll down here and go and find the Fabric loader for 1.21.5 and press open installations folder to the right. In here, we need to scroll down and go and find the mods folder. Double click on it. And we then need to go and add in what we downloaded. So if we come back to our downloads, we can go and drag in the Fabric API and also WorldEdit, of course. Now that we've added it, we can go and close out of the folders and we can then go and hover over it and press play to the right or press play in the top left, come to the left of play and select Fabric Loader and press play here and wait. This is no means a full guide, but to get started, open up the chat and type in //wand, press enter and you'll be given the wand. Left click to select position 1, and then you can right click to select position 2. Now what we could do is go and open up the chat again, type in //replace, and I could then go and type in what I want to replace, which is grass_block, and type in what with. I could go and do, say, gold_block like so, press enter, and that's it.